and see whether we can generate your output characteristics in the LTspice. Okay, this is the circuit diagram drawn in the LTspice. So here this is the transistor. We can select the transistor from the command list, and we can give the transistors 2 and 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, you also need a current source here. So you can select here, go here and select such a current here to get a different to get the current source, so that you can select and get the current source here. Then you have to give the resistor. I choose this 1K, so we can give a value of 1K here, and you need a power supply also. Okay, this is a normal power supply that you can choose from here, and you can put it here. Okay, you also need to put the proper ground for this one, and so the main thing is you have to do the simulation here. So this is the simulations we have done. So if you look at this the simulation, we can use the DC sweep here. So here is in DC sweep, and if you have to use the two sources for this one. The first source, you have to give a linear type of seed, linear type of seed. It should start with a minus 10 to 10 and with increment of 0.2. Okay, this is the first source. We vary the voltage, and you also need the second source. This is actually the I1. I1 also we will increment your input current using this one. This is also linear regulation. There are different options like octave, decade, and list, etc. We can do. So we choose linear, and we have to give a starting value. So I give a starting value of 0, and the stop values I can give a microampere. So you give 50 UA, and you have to give the increment of 10 UA. That is a microampere. So these are the two things you have to choose. Okay, so what we do is you will sweep two sources. One is the current, another is the voltage, to get the record curve. Okay, so if you try to run this button, so we get the output where this is the current source and this is the VCC. So I have to measure the current across this one. Okay, remember that the output voltage is output current versus output voltage. Okay, I want to measure the voltage. Actually, we are sweeping this voltage. Then we can see that this is the output characteristics. This is a 0. So we are getting a region where you are getting different type of this type of slops and saturations for the different type of input current. Okay, so to look at more closely, I can give only one value. So if I change instead of 50, I'm giving 10, only particular value, one value instead of multiple values. I'm giving only one value. Let's see what happens. So if I run my simulations, I get this is the particular curve I get. Okay, after about 2 volt, it will go to S saturations. So if I give a different current, what will happen? It will actually go to another region and it will be saturated to this value. So this is